So as a kid, I was always tearing stuff apart and putting it back together, and you know, usually have a few extra screws left. So I'm Matt from Salina, Kansas. Came to the LS Fest here in Texas. I built this Jeep. It's a 1990 Jeep YJ. I got it from my father-in-law. It was a 4-cylinder, 5-speed, Dana 30 in the front, Dana 35 in the rear. And over the last 7 years, I think it's turned into this. So I LS swapped it. It's a 408 stroker. Got 14 bolt in the rear, Dana 60 in the front, running 538 gears. It just turned into a toy, pretty much. So I built it for my wife. It was gonna be her Jeep, and then it just turned into something different where I started LS swapping it. Next thing you know, axles, transfer case, then transmission, then basically the cage, fenders, and I went with ORIs on it. It's got full hydraulic steering. It's been fun. Built this from ground up. All that's really left is a tub, and I built every single thing on it from the headers. The only thing I did not build was my cage. I had my buddy build that. Rod Geist Customs out of Salina, Kansas. He did that for me. I built the axles, the headers. I mean, anything this Jeep has on it, I've built pretty much 99% of it. We live right in the middle of Kansas, so there's not a bunch of wheeling there. So we'll go to Colorado, or we take a trip. It's about an hour away from our house. It's called Tuttle Creek by Manhattan, Kansas. We do a bunch of wheeling there. There's a bunch of guys out there that wheel. I do drive it around town and go to shows with it, but majority crawling. We got a Dana 60 in the front, 14 bolt in the rear, cut down to a 13. Got the Atlas transfer case. I'm running a Turbo 400 from a guy out in California that builds them, Maximum Transmissions. And then I got tons of Holley parts on here. Because it's so functional and everything's there, the buttons, the screen's right there. I can touch it all, change it all up. So the only time my wife really drives it is basically to park it in the garage, even though it was her Jeep, but I kind of took over, so it's kind of my toy now. So now I got to build her something else. Probably thinking like a little K truck with a 5.3 in it. As I was growing up, I was always into 4-wheel drive trucks and just off-roading, and I've always loved the off-roading scene, and that's just, I stuck with it, and I'm building stuff ever since. So the Jeep's pretty much complete, done. I got it all dialed in where I want it. Got little things I want to tweak on some of the electrical and things like that, but other than that, it's ready to go. So I enjoy everything we got going on with it. We plan on being back here next year, and maybe my wife will have her Chevelle here with us.